welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got a great recipe for you today. Not one
for
that you can
eating.
eat. Let's get right to it. This is for a poop dupe. Everybody poops, right? They wrote numerous kids books on this, so it must be true. Alright, so this makes a complete film over the water in the toilet tank. So you spray this in the toilet bowl before you do your business, and as it goes, submerges, everything stays underneath the water. So instead of spraying after you go, you spray before you go, and there's not a problem. Fortunately, this is very easy to do because this stuff is very expensive at the store. And you could do it for a fraction of the cost, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need is a spray bottle. You can recycle one. You could buy one at like Target. I think we paid $1.49 for this one, but you could totally recycle it, or you could just go to the dollar store and get one too. So you need one that's at least 5 ounces. I've marked off on this one 8 ounces because I'm going to do a double batch today because this is a pretty big bottle. So you're also going to need some vegetable glycerin. This is going to help keep the oil emulsified with the water. You're still going to have to shake every time before you use it, but this is going to help it out a little bit, and this is going to help make that film over the top of the water in the bowl. So we're going to need this, and the other ingredient besides water that you're going to need is essential oil. So I got my essential oil kit out here. Now you can put any, I was going to say flavorings, any scents you want in there. Today I'm going to do lemongrass, I'm going to do some sweet orange, and I'm going to do lemon. Because whenever I smell lemon, it just makes me happy. I just love the clean, fresh scent of lemon. Oh, it's like summer. So we're going to get our funnel out. We're going to put it right there so we don't make a mess like I usually do. I guess the first thing we'll do is put the vegetable glycerin. If you don't have vegetable glycerin, you could also use denatured alcohol. Don't use like rubbing alcohol. It's not the same thing. If you don't have any denatured alcohol, you could also use some vodka or some witch hazel. So we're going to just guesstimate. I'm putting 2 teaspoons in there.
That's quite thick.
It is quite thick, and that looks pretty good. I'm going to leave the ingredient listing and measurements for a single batch for like a 5 ounce spray bottle, but as I said before, today we're doing a double. So we've got the lemon. I'm going to do 50 drops of lemon. That's quite a lot. So I don't think you want to watch this.
No, I don't.
I'm going to do 20 drops of lemongrass. And I'm going to do 30 drops of the orange. Sweet orange. Now, they recommend that you use distilled water, but you can use tap water. I'm going to go with the tap water today. So I'm going to fill it up just above the mark there.
Stop.
Alright, I've got the top on. I'm going to give it a shake, and it should be ready to go. Remember, shake it right before you spray it. 4 to 5 sprays into the bowl area. You're good to go. Go for it.
Yay!
I'm so excited for this.
Unicorn poops.
This is so expensive in the store. I was so tempted to buy it, and then I was like, wait a minute. I'm not going to plunk down like $10
For a tiny bottle.
Yeah, I believe the one in the store is half the size of what we just made. And I can come up with my own custom scent for this as well. So
It smells very lovely. Citrusy.
It does, doesn't it? So let me know if you've tried making your own before, or if you're going to try to make your own. I really am curious to see what you guys think about it. So leave it in the comments. Subscribe for more videos like this. Leave some questions in the comments below too, because we're planning on doing a future Q&A, and we'd really appreciate that. So until next time, much love.